This is how to start up a ProTable optical system. You're going to have your carriage. Make sure you plug it into a 120 volt source. Make sure you pull this out so it can freely move. You want to turn on your light so that your monitor works. And then you want to set up your product. So right now we're measuring dipsticks. We have custom fixturing to hold the handles and V-blocks to make the product straight. And so these have actual magnets on them to make sure that they don't move during measurement. Go ahead and move your carriage over to the feature you want to measure. So we want to measure to that fill line. And so you can move it over to there. I didn't quite get it, so we can push in the fine adjust handle to activate the rack and pinion system to move the carriage in smaller increments and get exactly to where the crosshairs line up with that. This system has a manual Y system. You can also have another fine adjust attachment for this axis. And so the image is still pretty blurry. We're going to want to rotate this to focus the camera in to get the picture very crisp like that. And so once you've adjusted this focal distance, you don't want to move that anymore. You want to come over here and data match your system because it thinks we are 34 inches away, and this is your zero surface for this custom design. And you can't really, since the focal distance isn't up at the top, it's down here, you won't be able to see this edge. So you want to take a piece of paper and butt it up against it like so, and then you'll be able to see that edge very, very clearly, and we're a little bit off, and just adjust it with the paper underneath. And then once you got that, you can datum it out since you know that this is your zero value. And then as you pull this out to move the carriage away, we can go to the full line, as you can see here, push it back in and fine adjust to exactly where you need to be. And it is 22.35 inches away from our 0 point. And that is how you use the ProTable SA optical system setup and operation.